Today our Russian guests came to visit our user sites, a metal shelf factory using a vacuum low-temperature crystallizing evaporator to treat wastewater from metal surface painting. The processing capacity of this machine is 1000 liters every day. In a vacuum environment, the boiling point of water is lowered. Water can be evaporated at low temperatures, and the residue is crystallized. The evaporated water can be used again. Then we talked about technical issues with clients. The second user site is a supplier for giant bicycles, which uses a concentrating heat pump evaporator to treat wastewater from bicycle molding. The processing capacity of this machine is 1000 liters every day. Thank you for watching, and we welcome you to visit our factory.